we are looking at a specific idea or specific part of coordinate geometry, which is the midpoint. Let's see. The line AB intersects the x-axis at A and y-axis at B. The point -6 and 2 is the midpoint of AB. We have to find the coordinates of A and B. Now, I don't know about you, but when I am looking at question, very often doing a drawing does help me so that it gives me an idea what am I dealing with, especially in coordinate geometry. So the only thing I know really is the point -6 and 2. So -6 being a negative value of x, so somewhere here, let's say, and then positive y. So somewhere here I have this point, and that is a midpoint of A and B. So where is that line? The line will go through that point and cut the x-axis and cut the y-axis. So more or less that's the idea. The x-axis cut at A and the y-axis cut at B. Now, I don't know what is the x-coordinate here, but I know y will be 0. I don't know what is the y-coordinate here, but here my x will be 0. So straight away I have half of the answer figured out. So I just need the other second half. Now, the only numerical information is the midpoint. How did they got the midpoint? Well, we have a formula for that, isn't it? So let's get the formula from our table. So they are using the formula to get the midpoint. How did they got -6? This part is -6 and 2. This part is 2. That's how they got it, isn't it? Okay, so if my A, let's say that's my first point. So x1, that's x, I don't know. y1 is 0. My B point is, let's say, the second point. So the x coordinate is 0, and then y coordinate, y2, is just y. So let's replace that. So that means here, x1, what my x1? X plus x2, that's 0, divided by 2, and that gave them what? -6. So there it is. I have my equation. Okay, how do I find x? First, I eliminate the denominator, bottom of the fraction. How do we do it? By multiplying and multiplying both sides of the equation. Then I am left with x plus 0. So x plus nothing is x. And on the other side, -6 multiplied by 2, that's -12. So there it is. I have my first coordinate for point A, -12 and 0. Now, the same for point B. So here we have y1 is 0, plus y2, that is y, divided by 2, and then they got 2. So again, first eliminating the bottom of the fraction by multiplying both sides. Therefore, y equal to multiply by 2, that's 4. So there it is, my second point, 0 and 4. Really nice question.